Ready to level up your WordPress layouts? Today, we are mastering the ElementsKit Icon Box widget to create professional, high-conversion sections in minutes. Before we dive in, here's the best part. Everything we are doing today only requires the free version of Elementor and the free version of ElementsKit. No pro licenses are needed for this workflow. Here, in ElementsKit, you will get multiple ready-made templates. So I'm clicking the ElementsKit icon here, then go to the sections, then search for icon box. Here are so many options. Choose the one you need. I'm choosing the first one, then click insert. See, it has already arrived. It's pretty much easier. So here you can edit all the boxes. So here in icon box, in the content tab, I have the equal height option. If I want to enable, I can enable this one, and I can also disable this one. Here I have option called icon type. So here, if I want to keep the icon, then I will click here, and if I don't want any icon, I can click none. And also there is an option which is called image. So I can put image as per my requirements. So yeah, I'm just choosing the icon one. Here you can choose icon from the icon library. There is a lot of options, so you can choose as per your requirements. Here I have another option called title. You can change the title here, see? And there is the description. You can also change the description. There is another option which is called read more. If you click here, you will get the read more option, where you can add the links, and you can also change the label here. If you want, you can also add icons. And there is another option which is very important, I would say, that you can make the correct position for your icons. There is a called before and after, so yeah. And then we have the settings here. In settings, there is option called icon position, which is left, top, and then we have right, but I'm keeping it in the top. And if you want to enable the hover watermark, you can just click this button. So I'm just not using the one. Here we have another option which is called content alignment. I can keep it in the right, in the center, and in the left part. So I'm keeping it in the center. Which I have another option called title HTML tag. Here I can change and customize my heading. So it's already default in HTML. I'm keeping it as same. Then the last option, which is called the badge option. So just show badge, and you just can't. If you want to show badge, you can also change the title and the position from here. So that was all from the content tab. Now let's move to the style tab. Now for the styling masterclass. For professional UI UX, spacing is everything. Use the width and padding controls to give your content room to breathe. Never crowd your text. So you can change the background type. We have another option which is called gradient, and another is video. You can also add videos here. So I'm keeping it as classic. Then we have an option called padding. You can change the padding from here. And then there's box shadow. So there are other options as well, like you can change the box shadow. I'm keeping it by default actually. So yeah, after that we have border type, which is already set with the solid one. If I don't want any border, I just can select none, but I'm keeping it as solid. There is called border width, border color. So you can change the border colors as well. See? Then we have border radius, and after that we have another options called icon and the button. So you can change the settings of all the options here also. In the last option we have background overlay. Here we have advanced option. If you want to create it more unique and stylish, you can use this option also. For creative control, you can build it from scratch. So you can search the icon box widget from your dashboard with the eKit badge. So you can drag and drop it. So yeah, that was all. High-end design is about the details in the Style tab. Experiment with the settings to create something unique and subscribe for more expert Elementor workflows and start building better today.